If email keeps falling to the bottom of your to-do list, it's not because you're lazy or bad at tech, it's because your tools suck. You've spent hours fiddling, Googling, trying to make email marketing work, and it's getting nowhere. It's frustrating and it's keeping you stuck. This video is sponsored by Flodesk, the only email tool I actually use and recommend, and I'm giving you a full tour so you can see exactly why it's the first platform that made email feel easy. Let's dive in. First up, the interface. Everything's clean, modern, and intuitive. You'll find what you need without needing to watch 5 YouTube tutorials first. Some of the key things we can see from the dashboard. Emails, where all of your broadcast emails are stored and created. Forms, how people sign up to your list. Workflows, your automation center. Analytics, to track opens, clicks, and engagements with your email. What sold me instantly? The email templates. These don't look like outdated, boring email blasts. They're professionally designed and totally customizable to match your brand and your vibe. When you open a template, you simply just click on any of the elements and a menu appears on the right-hand side to edit it. You can change the colors, you can move elements around, customize the text, the fonts, and of course font size. You can delete blocks that you don't need and add new blocks using their gorgeous pre-made layouts. It's easy and intuitive and very satisfying and relaxing to have everything so elegant and easy and beautiful to use. Now, speaking of beautiful, let's talk about branding. Flodesk makes it easy to stay consistent. In the branding section, you can upload your logo or image. You can add your brand colors using hex codes and upload your fonts as well. Then every email, form, and landing page pulls from that automatically. Here's an email that I sent a few weeks ago. It probably took me about 10 minutes to put together. It looks clean and beautiful. And when we look at the results, we had 99% deliverability. That's the power of a tool that works with you and not against you. Now let's talk automations. Flodesk calls them workflows, and they're simple to set up, but seriously so powerful. And yes, they have templates to get you started fast. So I'm going to go ahead and choose one. And now you'll see the pre-built flow with emails, time delays, and suggested content already mapped out. Of course, you can go into the templates and then go in and edit and add your own content. And then you can also add more emails. You can add an action to manage your subscribers. So whether you want to add or remove people from the actual flow based on an action. You can adjust or add time delays. And you can also branch the sequence based on a series of actions. So you can do everything that you need for your sequence, all without it feeling clunky or overwhelming. Flodesk also gives you stunning customizable forms, whether you need a pop-up form or whether you need an inline or an embedded form, or even if you need a full page with a form, it's all done for you. And one of the best parts is you don't need a developer to actually modify the form. You can easily swap out the images yourself. You can change the colors to suit what you want, change and remove all of the fields, or to match your brand and to do what you need it to do. Let's talk about pricing because this is where Flodesk really stands out. Here are their plans. You've got the free plan, the light plan, which starts at $19 a month, perfect if you're just starting out. The pro plan, which is $25 a month, my top pick for most creators and what I use. And then the everything plan, which is $49 a month. And this one's really great for digital product sellers who want built-in checkouts. Each plan starts with up to 1,000 subscribers. You get unlimited email sends and pricing is based on active subscribers, not total subscribers. Once you go over 1,000 subscribers, the pricing scales and you can see the cost of each plan on their website using this tool so you can check exactly what it will cost. I don't recommend tools I don't personally use and love. I've tried them all, Beehive, ConvertKit, ActiveCampaign, but Flodesk is the only one that gives me both the design and the functionality I need without the tech stress. If you want to give it a try, there's a 25% discount link below that brings the pro plan down to about $18 per month for your first year. Whether you're starting from scratch or finally ready to switch to something better, Flodesk is the tool I wish I'd found years ago.